Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Tutor. And today's video I am going to discuss about the ultrasound imaging and different types of complication during pregnancy and the two types of twinning. One is identical and one is fraternal twinning. And there are different types of complication related to training. So let's get started. Frequency. First of all, we will discuss about the ultrasound imaging of the baby, and then we will go forward. Frequency of sound. First of all, there are three types of sound. One is infrasound, in the another one is normal sound, and the third one is ultrasound. Infrasound are those sound which cannot be heard by a human being, and the normal sound, which is among 20 to 20,000 hertz, can be detected by the human body, and the ultrasounds, which are also not detected by the human body, above the 20,000 hertz, is not detected by human body. And as you can see, below the 20 hertz is undetectable by human and can be detected by elephant as well. And other animals, they can hear it. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz can be detected by human body, and above 20,000 hertz is detected by the bat, by the flying squirrel. So there are different types of frequencies that can be heard by different types of elements. So you can see here, ultrasounding imaging. First of all, let me tell you what is ultrasound. Ultrasound is a type of imaging that uses high frequency sound waves to look at organs and structure inside the body. It uses a high frequency of sound waves and has been used for to study the organs of fetus or embryo inside the body. Healthcare profession use it to view the heart. We can use it for viewing the heart, blood vessels, kidney, liver, and other organs. During pregnancy, doctor use ultrasound to view the fetus. During pregnancy, doctor prescribe diagnose to see the baby with the help of ultrasound. So, which one of these twins are beautiful? Just comment me. And twins. Now, twins are two offspring produced by same pregnancy. Pregnancy. Now there are two types of twin. One is monozygotic twins and the other one is dizygotic twins. The monozygotic twin is called identical twin and the dizygotic twin is called fraternal twin. Twins can either be monozygotic, just as I said to you, identical, meaning that they can develop from just one zygote that will then split and forms two embryos. They are from one zygote, and the zygote splits into two and form two embryo. And in dizygote, meaning that they can develop from two different eggs. Here we have two different eggs, and it has been fertilized by two sperm, so it forms fraternal twin. In contrast, a fetus which developed alone in the womb is called a singleton. A fetus that is developed alone in the womb, in a single womb, is called singleton. Now, variation in twinning. There are five common variations of twinning. The three most common variations are all dizygotic fraternal. Now we can say that if the zygotes are of the zygote of fetus are dizygotic or fraternal, it means that it may be male or female, and it may be female and female. It may be male and male. Depends on the X and Y chromosomes. Carrying zygote or carrying sperm or eggs, because there are different zygotes and sperm and eggs required for dizygotic fraternal pairing. So there are three possible variation can occur, and the female to female variation have a special name called surroral twin. And in other words, in monozygotic identical twins, there are just two variations. The zygote may be female and female, because there are two embryo and they may be female or female, and must be female. And if one is male, the other one must be male, and there are two just two variation. Now, complication during pregnancy. First, vanishing twins. Researchers suspect that as many as 1 in 8 pregnancies start out as multiples, but only a single fetal is brought to full the term because the other fetus has died very early in the pregnancy and has not been detected or recorded. Researchers suspect that during pregnancy, multiple pregnancies starts to develop, but as times lapses, only one fetus brought to completion, and the remaining fetus had died very early in the pregnancy. So the one baby here we can see the B baby is vanished. So it's why it's called vanishing twin. Complication during pregnancy. As you can see, parasitic twins. One is fully developed, the other one is not fully developed. The parts of the other twin is just attached to their body. Either it is their feet, his head, and different types of complication can occur. Now, sometime one fetus will fail to develop completely and continues to cause problem for its surviving twins. Here you can see. And this is in animals. Complication during pregnancy. Conjoined twins. Conjoined twins are a commonly used term simiasis. Simious twins, monozygotic twins whose bodies are joined together during pregnancy. Yeah, if during fertilization of pregnancy, whatever you can say. Here you can see these are simiasis with two heads and single trunk. You can see the famous two simias, and these are also two simias, and these are in animals. Complication during pregnancy. Chimerism. It is so interesting. Genetically, chimerism or chimera organism composed of cells with more than one distinct genotype. These types of cells have different types of genotypes, means its genetic makeups are different. In animals, these means an individual derived from two or more zygotes. One individual is derived from more zygote, which can include possessing blood cell of different blood types. Subtle variation in form phenotypes if the zygotes were of different sexes, then even the possession of both female and male sex organ. And these are a very big complication. Even the sex organ may be different when the zygotes are of more than two zygotes. When the individual is of more than two zygotes. Here you can see abortion. Abortion is the ending of pregnancy by removing a fetus or embryo before it can survive outside the uterus. So late termination of pregnancy, जिसको हम टॉप कहते हैं, also known as post-viability abortion, induced termination of pregnancy. Simply, abortion is a termination of pregnancy. This is performed during a later stage of pregnancy. Late termination of pregnancy is more controversial than abortion in general because it results in the demise of a fetus that is more developed and sometimes able to survive independently. Her body, her choice. Medical abortion, block progesterone, cut up blood and nutrition to baby. Here we can see. A surgical abortion, it's too difficult, it's too dangerous, there are certain ethical issues also related with it. Dilation and evacuation abortion of a 23 weeks old fetus. Here you can see different images. uh, Not abortion, you can change it. Adoption is a process whereby a person assumes the parenting of another, usually a child, and animals from that parent, biological or legal parents or parents, and in so doing permanently transfer all the rights and responsibility along with violation from the biological parents or parent. It's not something that you just assume the parenting, but you have to do the violation and responsibility for it. Miscarriage. Miscarriage, also known as spontaneous abortion in pregnancy loss, in the natural death of embryo or fetus there before it is able to survive independently. Pregnancy and abortion, miscarriage and abortion, they are contradicted to each other. Abortions are abortion are induced by human, and miscarriage are sometimes they are natural. And miscarriage may occur for many reasons, not all of which can be identified. Some of these causes include miscarriage can be caused by genetics, uterine or hormonal abnormalities, reproductive tract infection, and tissue rejection, and by invasive perinatal diagnosis. And these are the different factors that contribute to the miscarriage. Here, the man is saying, am I pregnant? So, we will discuss it later about the pregnancy of a male. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then do subscribe to it.